Hello, welcome to another Wilderness Tamed video. This is part 3 of how and when to mow a meadow. When to mow a meadow. In the shady corner of the garden, we've just done the sunny bit, so the editing is a little bit topsy-turvy. A lot of hogweed, a lot of knapweed, which is nice. Still loads of plantain, which is excellent. It's nice and soft to mow. Still loads of insects, which is not so excellent. Logistically, a little bit of a challenge. It's kind of broken up into little islands. I shall do maybe one full one and then sections of the other two. Again, just so I'm not eradicating all the habitat all in one go, for reasons explained in the previous video, which I'll link to somewhere. So yeah, join in. So, less than an hour this morning to do all of that lot. And if you remember in the last video, the abandoned guinea fowl nest, I managed to mow around that. You can see how many eggs there are. It's ridiculous. And they've all been left. And how can one bird incubate all of that? Nonsense. Anyway, onward and downward. We're going to head into the shady corner down there now. There's more, yay, more hogweeds. Whoop-de-doo. And I believe a lot of brambles, nettles, some foxgloves, which is nice, but not a lot else of merit. But the main focus is this meadow in front of us. And in another couple of weeks I shall be back to complete that last block in the centre there. I will ask that the trampoline is moved. I don't fancy clanging my blades on the legs of that. All in all, a very pleasant job, and nicely staggered over the course of, well, 2 months pretty much. So I didn't capture it on film, unfortunately, but I have just had a vole run from the area I've just mown into an unmown area. I'll flip you around, show you. Mowing this section here, just finishing off, and a little fella or featherette, which I think is the technical term for voles of the female gender, ran across and disappeared into this lot. So again, there's good reason, and it's the first time it's happened in all the stuff I've just been mowing. It's the first small mammal I've seen. So it's nice that there's evidence that they do exist here, and the chickens and guinea fowl haven't pecked them all to death. But yeah, great little a safe escape, totally unscathed, which is the usual thing when you're dealing with scythes. Strimmers, slightly less forgiving to the wildlife. Might do this clover as well, mainly because it's really nice to cut because it's so soft stemmed, and I'll create a little halo around this little, well, there's two little trees here in tree nets, so I'll reduce the competition around them. Might leave the fern as well because they're always nice. You can also see evidence on the path there that we've got moles in the vicinity. Hopefully they've all got their heads below ground. Something else you can't do with a strimmer is rake up. Neat. So there you have it, all done and dusted until the next visit, which is in a few weeks' time, by which time all the early mown stuff will be up and lush and green again, and looking splendid. Hope you've enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. If you haven't already, why not click subscribe? Give me a thumbs up if you've liked it. If you haven't liked it, jog on. yeah, there you go. See you in the next one.